Up. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we are doing a quick overnight trip over to Talkeetna. It's a little date night with Carly. Alright, so we are currently over in Talkeetna. It's pretty kind of dead right now, but we're going to try and find a campground here and see if we can just hang out. A lot of places are pretty closed though. Denali, I think, is one of the only places that are open. And I think maybe the pizza place down the way.
Well, Governor, what do you think?
Awesome. This is a great spot. So we just found this spot on iOverlander, right on the water. What you think, babe? Awesome. Yeah. So after a couple attempts, we finally found camp. We went to two different spots previously with iOverlander, and both of them, both of them failed us. So we found this spot. So iOverlander did not disappoint at all. This is the Montana River, Montana Creek, one of those, Montana Creek, I think. It's pretty small. I mean, it's not too deep. Pretty sure fishing on here would be amazing later. I should have brought some fishing gear, but it's all good. Not bad though. This is awesome.
Come here, baby. Rio, come. Good girl. Not a bad find, if I may say so myself. Alright, this is for the ladies out there. The ladies going camping with your man. You may think, where do we go to the bathroom? If you don't have a bathroom, you need one. This is what you need. I call it the pickle. But just a little portable bathroom. Makes it so that you don't have to squat in a bush. Who knows what's in the bush? Who knows what's gonna get you in the bush? So this is just a little extra thing that we bring along. A little toilet in here. Nothing fancy, but trust me, makes a huge difference.
Date night. What an awesome view. This head net is now a part of our normal camping gear. Mosquitoes are serious right now. This is only the beginning though. Mosquitoes get pretty bad towards the midsummer in July. Yep. Right there.
Oh.
This is what perfection looks like. Peanut butter, marshmallow.
A male in the wild does some feathering.
Yeah. So date night commences. How's date night, babe?
Not bad. Alaska style.
True that. Date night right on Montana Creek. Not a bad spot to be. How are you? Sit. Good dog. Good girl. Okay. Good morning, everyone. It is beautiful out. We are making some breakfast. Being lazy today, so we're trying out some biscuits and gravy from Mountain House. Just our jet boil. So you add about 1.5 cups of water, and then you stir, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then stir again. So let's just see let's see how this guy's looking. Does not look that bad. Looks pretty good, actually. So we bought this new little bowl set, like a little camping mess kit. Because we've been needing to add a pot to the camping rig. So it's got 2 little lids like this. It's got some spatulas. And then it's got some bowls in here. And then you can use that as a pot to boil water or whatnot. These guys. So it's pretty cool. Alright, so we're going to try some of this stuff. That's actually really good. Wow. Not bad. So this is the final product. It's cool. It's like the biscuit actually like stayed intact. So it's really good actually. Awesome. All right, Carly's trying the biscuits and gravy. Yeah? Out of 10.
For
a mountain house. This is the first time you've ever had Mountain House though, right?
Yeah.
What do you think?
7.
It's pretty good. Not gonna lie. I like it. we're just cleaning up camp. And then we are heading back over to Talkeetna to go get some spinach bread. You'll see it on the road. Blueberry crisp, and it is amazing. This is why we come to Talkeetna. How was that? Pretty good, huh? Alright guys, so we are back home, got the truck unloaded, quick overnight trip. It was a lot of fun. Great weather, turned out awesome. Appreciate you guys watching. If you guys like more videos, camping, getting outdoors, like, subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks.